Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire Zebec Network, clarifying its current trading status on Coinbase. It's important to understand that Zebec Network is not directly available for purchase on the primary Coinbase exchange. However, you can still obtain this digital asset through other established cryptocurrency platforms. Once acquired, you have the option to manage your Zebec network securely using the Coinbase wallet, integrating it into your broader crypto portfolio. To begin your journey, you'll need to set up an account on a cryptocurrency exchange where Zebec Network is available for trading. Select a platform known for its security and user-friendliness. You will typically register with your email and create a strong password. Following this, complete the necessary identity verification steps, which usually involve providing a government-issued ID. Finally, activate two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your new account. Once your exchange account is set up and verified, you can fund it using various methods, such as linking your bank account or using a debit card. After funding, locate the trading interface and search for Zebec Network, often identified by its ticker symbol, ZBCN. You can then place a market order to buy the desired amount at the prevailing price. Always double-check your order details before confirming to ensure accuracy and avoid any errors. After successfully acquiring Zebec Network on a supported exchange, you might consider transferring it to a self-custody solution like Coinbase Wallet for enhanced control. Download the official Coinbase Wallet app and follow the setup instructions to create your personal wallet. Carefully initiate a transfer from your exchange account to your Coinbase wallet, ensuring the correct network and address are used. This allows you to securely hold your assets and interact with the broader decentralized finance ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.